Today I want to talk a little bit about misfires. We've been getting a lot of phone calls recently. I stopped at the parts warehouse, my check engine light was on. They told me that I had a P0301 fault, 302, 303, 300, and my car's misfiring. They sold me some spark plugs. I get a phone call, how much to put in my spark plugs? Well, how do you know it's your spark plugs? Now there's four things that can cause a misfire: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. Now the intake system, if you have a vacuum leak, usually causes a P0300 fault, but it can cause a 301, 302, 304, etc. Now with vacuum leaks, you usually feel a hesitation when you come to a stop, where the car will shut off on you when you're at idle. But an intake leak can cause a P0300 fault. It's not always spark plugs. Compression. Now compression is the ability for the engine basically to squeeze the mixture of air and fuel in the combustion chamber. Now if you don't have a good squeeze, you're going to get a misfire. So it's always a good idea when you have a misfire fault to ask the mechanic how much it would cost for a compression test. A compression test will save you time and money. Now, the power comes from the spark plugs, the coil, the computer, the injector. It's the ability to fire the plugs or the injectors. Now, with spark plugs, there's all sorts of different spark plugs on the market. We like to use the OEM plugs that are made for the vehicle because nowadays the emission standards are really high and the spark plugs play a big role in emissions. Coils go bad all the time. You can replace one coil, you can replace them all. Sometimes you get a better deal on the whole kit. It's just a good idea to get the coils checked out before replacing the spark plugs as well. Now the computer, if the computer is not sending the signal to the coils or the injectors, you're going to get misfires as well. Sometimes with bad injectors, you get another fault code from the computer saying that the injector is bad, as well with the coils. So if you're getting random multiple misfires, make sure you get the compression check done. When they do the compression check, they can replace your spark plugs because they're already in there. They can take a look at the coils, and they'll test your computer as well. Now with the exhaust system should be free, like no plugged cat, nobody stuck an apple in the exhaust or something stupid like that. If you have a backed up exhaust, the fumes won't get out and it'll cause a misfire. Usually in all cylinders, you'll get a P0300 fault. Same thing with a plugged fuel filter. It will affect all the cylinders because you're not getting enough fuel pressure. So with misfires, you got intake, fuel, exhaust, and compression. Those four things should all be checked out before buying plugs from a parts warehouse when they tell you you have a misfire code and you need spark plugs. I've also seen the parts warehouses tell people that they have a misfire and they need an oxygen sensor, which I guess that would cause a misfire maybe, but I haven't seen it yet. Not to say that nobody has. So when they try to sell you something, call the mechanic and say how much for a compression test, or just tell the mechanic that your check engine light's on and you would like to have a diagnosis. Most shops, when you call and say you have a check engine light on and you ask how much it is to fault trace the check engine light, the cost of the diagnosis will go towards the repair. So if a compression test is $150 and let's say it does need spark plugs, well that $150 will go into replacing the spark plugs. It's not an additional cost. Same thing with testing the computer, the injectors. So the real people that make out when you go to a parts warehouse and say my check engine light is on and they tell you you have a misfire and they sell you some plugs is the parts warehouse. They are the ones making money and they are the ones selling you the wrong parts. So I thought that would be a helpful video. If your check engine light comes on, you can go have it scanned at a parts warehouse, but I would not have them diagnose your vehicle for you.